One Heartland church spent today spreading holiday joy to the Kirksville community. Take a listen. That was the sound of the Hamilton Street Baptist Church's choir. They performed a Christmas concert in a packed room during Sunday morning services. The free concert featured both religious and fun Christmas songs. It even included the fan favorites, Joy to the World, Oh Come All Ye Faithful, and Silent Night. The church's children program also got in the Christmas spirit with their play that was held earlier this evening. Hamilton Street Baptist Church will continue their Christmas celebrations later this week with candlelight services and on Christmas Eve at 5 and 6:30 p.m.